Then we will start already with order of operations.
Operation. So
What the meaning of order of operations? You want to know what the meaning of order of operations?
order of operation is the direction where we use first parentheses and then explosions and then multiply and divide and then add and subtract.
And then subtract, and we have to start from left to
Right.
right? So we said that the order of operations. Let's listen to the song first. So as you see here in front of you, we have 5 main words for order of operations. So we can say the word BIMDAS. So BIMDAS donated for P for the parentheses, E for the exponents, M multiply, D divide, A add, S subtract. And we said multiply and divide, they are one family. Which one comes first from your left hand to the right side, we will start with, and also add and subtract, they are one family. Which one comes from your left to the right, we will start with. So let's continue. So what's the order of operation? As I told you, it's a set of rules to help you to solve equation. So what's order of operation again?
A set of tools
Set
to
of
help you
rules
solve
to help
equation.
you to solve equations, right? After that, so in case we have a question like this, when you see a parentheses, so you have to remind the word BIMDAS. Do you remember the word BIMDAS? So we solve P
Yes.
for the parentheses. So we have to
Parentheses.
start to simplify the parentheses first. Inside the parentheses, you have 6 minus 2.
6 minus 2.
So we
It's
have to
4.
simplify it, and we are going to repeat all the rest the same. Like this. So it's 4, and we have 3 to the power of 2 plus 4 times 4. According to the word BIMDAS now, which one we are going to start with?
3 to the times of 2.
3 to the power of 2. And what's 3 to the power of 2 donated for?
3 multiplied by 3.
3 multiplied by 3. Thank you. Then we finished already the parentheses, which it was the first step. And now we are going to move to the second step, which is 3 to the power of 2. Then step 2. So we have to simplify the exponents. So the question, it becomes like this: 9 plus 4 times 4. Right? Now,
we will do first 4 multiplied by 4.
Exactly. So we are going to work with 4 multiplied by 4, because here we have plus and we have multiply. So you have to back directly to the order of operations, which told us that we have to work with multiply if it will come before add. Then we will simplify 4 times 4. Step 3, 4 times 4. Then you will multiply or divide, but here we have multiply, so we have to work with. So in this question, we have 9 plus 16. So I have only one operation in this question, which means we have
25.
Yes, so the answer, it will be equal 25. have a question like this. 9 divide 3 times 5. Here in this question, what do you notice,
We
Hassan?
will start by divide.
We have how many operations in this question?
2.
2 operations, which is
9 and divide, and 3 multiply by 5.
I'm talking about operation. So in front of
What?
you, you have 2 operations, right? Divide and multiply.
Yes.
Divide and multiply. We are going to move from left to right. Which one will
Divide first.
start? So we have to start with divide, which means it will be 9 divided by 3 will be equal 3. Okay. So did you get the idea for order of operation? So this sheet, it will be a homework and you will find it in our SMS about lesson 2, 3 order of operations. So we will start to solve together question number 1. We have 2 to the power of 3 times 8 plus 4 minus 10 inside the parentheses. Could you please, Hassan, tell me what we have to do? The first step.
We have to start with the parentheses.
Exactly. We have
8.
to
8 plus 4 is 12, and minus 10 is 2.
Exactly. So we have to simplify this one. So it will be 12 minus 10, right? Which means it will be equal to. So we have 2 to the power of 3 multiply by 2. Which step it will come second?
The explosions.
So we have first, it was 2 to the power of 3. We will keep it the same. Multiply. We will simplify the parentheses. As I told you, it will be 12 minus 10. Then it
It's
will be
2.
2 to the power of 3 multiply by 12 minus 10. It will be how many?
2.
2. Now you have exponents, right? So according
Yes.
to the order of operations, 2 to the
We
power
will
of
start
3
with.
means what, ya Hassan? 2 to the power of 3 means what?
It means 6.
No, no. 2 to the power of 3 means that you are going to multiply the number 3 times. Then 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, right? Then 2 to the power of 3 means that you are going to multiply the number by itself according to the exponents, which is 3. Then it will be 2 times 2 times.
It will be 8.
It will be 8, exactly. So we have 8 multiply by 2.
By 2.
To the
It will
answer,
be 16.
yes, thank you so much. To the answer, it will be equal 16. Right? One more example with you, ya Hassan.
Okay.
About question number 2. 2 times 3 to the power of 3 minus 5 plus 8. Which part
We will
start with?
parentheses.
We will
start it.
Exactly. We will start with the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you will start.
We will start with the exponents.
With the exponent. Thank you. 3 to the power of 3 means how many?
3 to the power of 3 means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3.
Excellent, ya Hassan. Which means it would be equal 27. Right? So it will be 3 times 3 times 3 minus 5 plus
8.
Okay.
We will start with minus 5.
Yes, because it comes first in your left hand. So we will keep to the
So
same.
22.
Multiply 17 minus 5, it will be how many?
22. No, I mean 17 minus 5 will be 12,
12
and plus
plus
plus 18
8.
will
8
be
will
20.
8, 8, not 18, right? Then
Yes,
it's 2 times 20 to the answer. By the end, it will be equal 40.
40.
So we have to work step by step. We have to work step by step. So don't tell me that you are going to make all the questions in one time, all the operations in one time. So according to the word BIMDAS, so we have P, right? And after that we have what? We have E,
E,
huh?
and then multiply,
Then
and then divide,
multiply, and then divide, and
and
then
then
add, and then subtract.
subtract.
I said that multiply and divide, it's one family. Which one comes first? The new left hand you have to work with. Add and subtract, the same, they are one family. Which one comes first? You are welcome to use it from left to right. So this is where our
Okay.
lesson, which it was 2, 3, and that's it. Understood, ya Hassan?